Alright guys, it's time to look at render once again on the channel. Now we just looked at render actually about 6 days ago. It was on this candle, April 11th, and we did close a few daily candles here as you can see above this. $3.51 mark on a weekly time frame. Now keep in mind, as long as we close from Sunday to Monday above this mark, that will solidify this as support. Now as you can see, we are trying to push through the $4.06 mark here on a daily time frame with this daily candle. So we are right there, guys. Only less than a penny away from, sealing a candle over this mark, but we still have a little bit of time left, guys. Now, we haven't really sealed a candle over this in quite some time. The last candle over that mark is back here on the 2nd of March. Now we do have a few wicks as you see, but yeah, nothing on a closing basis since the 2nd of March. Now, once we get through that, we still have to break through the top of this Fibonacci here at about $4.34. And after that, we do have this daily mark here at about $4.47. Now we haven't been above that basically since middle February, as you can see here, guys. So yeah, we did get rejected several times right here on this daily line, as you see, but yeah, I mean, render is still, in my opinion, looking pretty good. Now let's take a look at the MACD first. I just want to look at the MACD. Now as you see, guys, we do have some green candles here, and yeah, it is, it can go a lot higher. As you see over here, guys, it can go a lot higher. So this is just really, I would say, in the middle. And yeah, I mean, we don't have the full history here, but you can see it can go much higher. And especially right here, you can see this. This is pretty massive, guys. This is up here almost at what? Almost at 1.0 basically. And yeah, we're sitting here around 0. So let's see what happens on the MACD. Still plenty of room. Now let's take a look at the RSI real quick and the Stoch. But basically on a daily time frame, a little bit overbought here and pointed to the upside though on the RSI. So that is, mixed signals really. Weekly time frame, yeah, it's not printing, too many candles here because, actually it changed its ticker from RNDR to what you have here, render. So anyways, guys, it is, pretty much oversold though, according to this, and it is pointed to the upside here on the RSI, although we have little history due to what I just said. Now, I don't think it's going to have a monthly time frame just because we don't have much on the weekly time frame, so let's not even bother with that. On the 4-hour time frame, it is actually overbought here. On the Stoch, it is pointed to the upside though on the RSI. Now the 1-hour time frame, guys, just got out of the oversold territory here, and it looks like it wants to move to the upside. Now it's still in neutral territory here with the RSI, and so that's okay. Now the 15-minute time frame pointed heavily to the upside, and on the RSI, just ticking up very slowly, it looks. So when I take all of this information into account about the RSI and the Stoch RSI, guys, we may break through this line here at $4.06 tonight, but of course I don't think we're going to break through the top of this Fibonacci, of course, but it could be at a point where it needs to cool down a little bit because we do have a lot of mixed signals here, between the Stoch RSI and the RSI. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we didn't break through $4.07 tonight. Now, I would love it if we did, but I just wouldn't be surprised. And, it may not. It may be cooling down because, it's really gone up quite a bit today. It's gone up, what, 40 to 50 cents today. So that's a massive move, when we're talking about a coin that's only $4.05. Now, taking a quick look at render and the tokenomics, guys, basically there is no max supply, as I said the other day. The total supply, though, is 532 million, but only 517 million is circulating. So there's about 15 million that is not circulating yet. And the all-time high for render was about $13.50. So you're getting about a 70% discount at the moment, guys. So that's not a bad deal. Now, taking a quick look at Bitcoin, guys, it looks like, we are getting a move to the upside here in the last couple of 4-hour candles. And it looks like it is trying to break out of this, bull flag. And yeah, as you can see, I've already measured this on a previous video today. So the target is up here at about $90,700, which still wouldn't bring us inside this box where we traded pretty much for like 3 or 4 months or something like this back here, guys. So let's see what happens. Now, it could run out of steam, for example, at $89,635 and just kind of consolidate here. Or, it could overshoot too. Maybe we do get back in this box. So just have to wait and see, guys. This is just a technical target, but there are several resistances to break above before we get there as well. Now, the biggest one will be this $86,122 mark on a weekly time frame, so keep that in mind. Now, Ethereum, guys, has 3 bear flags, which pretty much have broken down. Actually, 2 of them have, but the third one hasn't broken down yet. But as you can see, guys, it's sitting right at the bottom of this little flag. So let's see what happens. Ethereum, still not looking that strong, guys, but right now it is holding up. But I wouldn't be surprised if we had another leg down. Now, having said that, guys, I do think Ethereum is due to pump. It could start a V-shaped kind of recovery and just start kind of going like this. And then we kind of see like a V here. But in my opinion, it doesn't look strong still. But at some point, guys, this is going to, start to recover at some point. Now, I'm not a big fan of Ethereum. I always say that Solana, BNB, projects like this are better. So keep that in mind. Now, taking a look at the total market cap, guys, it looks like, we're getting rejected here. Earlier today, we were above this line. And yeah, guys, I mean, these, technical analysis really works, as you can see. I mean, we're just being held down, by this trend line. And if I zoom out, you can see that, yeah, we just can't break it, guys. Look at all these touch points up here, back in January. So, yeah, again, guys, we find ourselves with 2.5 hours to go. It looks like we are just right on the line. So let's see what happens. We still have time. I would really like to close a candle, though, above this trend line. Now, dominance, guys, again, it was red earlier in the video, or just slightly green, I believe. But, yeah, we find ourselves, with a green candle once again. Now, CME futures, it is actually closed. So we have closed now 5 candles outside this trend line. So that is one good thing. As you can see, if I zoom out here, it was being held down pretty much for what? Yeah, from January. Wow. So, yeah, now that we've closed about 5 candles outside of this, that is actually a very good sign in my opinion. The dollar, guys, does have a green candle, but yeah, it's still under 100. And of course, it may consolidate here for some while before breaking down once again. Now, a weaker dollar means a stronger Bitcoin, so that's better for us. Now, taking a quick look at the liquidation heat map, it is only $127 million over here, guys. That is nothing. That is really one of the lowest amounts that I've seen. But yeah, that's actually, good. So, taking a look at the fear and greed, still at a 30 today. This will update, not in 6 hours. Let me update this, but it should be in 2.5 hours. So, yeah, yesterday was a 29. And I don't want to see this go up too quickly, guys. Maybe 1 or 2 points, 3 points at a time is okay, but not 20. Now, taking a look at the altcoin season index, let me refresh this. I did refresh it before the video, and it's still a 22. So, yeah, again, I don't know how often they, update this, but yeah, it is nice to see that we do have a 2 here in the front of the number, and we're holding that right now. So, the bull market peak indicators, guys, sell at the top. I refreshed this again right before the video. Still 0 from 30, still 100% hold. Best indicator, pi cycle top indicator, looks like it's still kind of diverging from one another, but I wouldn't be surprised if we start to slowly tick back. Now, Next week, guys, on Monday we do have the U.S. leading index. Tuesday we do have an FOMC member speaking. Wednesday we have some PMI numbers, and we do have Fed Waller speaking. And that's pretty much it on Wednesday. Thursday we do have jobless claims and durable goods. And on Friday, guys, we just have Michigan numbers. So pretty much a dead week next week. There's not too much going on, so that actually is probably pretty good for us. But yeah, now taking a quick look at MEXC today, guys. There is positive sentiment today. You can get more of these updates if you join my channel and get a membership for just $2, guys. I'll put you into the Telegram and forward all the relevant ones that would affect Bitcoin. And yeah, you can, you don't have to pay for MEXC, but MEXC is actually pretty good, guys. I can recommend it. You can get more than just these updates here in MEXC, by the way. But yeah, you need to check out MEXC website to learn about that. Now, taking a quick look at FedWatch tools, guys, this was over 90 today, so yeah, now it's under 87. So yeah, that actually is good, in my opinion. Now, 13.2% believe we're getting a cut, but let's see, guys, we still have less than 20 days, but still time. Now, taking a look at crypto bubbles, it's still a green day today, but we do have some reds, of course. And yeah, guys, if you want to, stake your coins, I was looking for Matic earlier today. Just check out Coinondo, and you'll see all the deals here. There's 19 deals for Matic, for example. And yeah, I mean, you do your homework on this. Be sure not to lock up your coins too long, guys, because maybe you want to sell earlier, than what is listed. Like, for example, here, 120 days. Yeah, we just can't see 4 months down the road, guys. So I wouldn't do that. Personally, I'm looking for about 30 days or flexible. In some rare cases, I might do 60. But yeah, be aware of the limits too as well, guys. And yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, share this video with your friends. Become a member of the channel, guys, and check out some of the exchanges that I have in this description below, guys. And yeah, that would really help me a lot. And yeah, really, I thank you all for supporting this channel. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.